Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am building a bed from scratch. I've seen this bed on West Elm and I wanted to recreate it. It's the Channel Tufted Bed and I bought everything. You see the wood behind me. So I'm going to go ahead and build this bed. This is not going in my room. We do have another room which I am sitting in right now that has not been touched by me at all. It still has the burgundy carpet, the gray walls, everything is the exact same. But Christmas is around the corner, so I want to go ahead and build the bed before I do the room makeover because I don't have time to get that room makeover before Christmas because we're a week out. But before we get into the video, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to my channel. Please subscribe. I do content based around DIY home renovations and remodeling. And if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just finished building the frame for the headboard. I'm about to go ahead and show you the foam that I got. So I got all this foam from Walmart for $10 a pack. Here is the foam that I have. It's 2-inch project foam and it's by the brand Fairland. I got this from Walmart, $10 online. Usually it's $30, but I got it on discount. So I'm going in with some tack strips to make sure that when I staple down the fabric that it has something to adhere to and it just has a good grip. So after that, I'm going in with my spray adhesive and I'm going to lay a foam piece down and then apply my fabric. Okay, it looks like I'm gonna make another run to the fabric store because I am running out of fabric. So I didn't really measure it out. I haven't done any upholstery work before. I mean, I've done the bench that I did in my room, but that was pretty much it. So I bought four why can I say 4 yards of fabric from Joann's, and it was this little velvet material. It does not stretch. It's pretty much what you put on is what you do. But I don't think I accounted for me having to tuck the fabric in, so that took up a lot of space. And then I ended up cutting some fabric in the beginning, so that took up some. So I'll have enough to do the headboard, but I'm not gonna have enough to do the framing. So yeah. Lastly, I am going to attach my fabric to my frame, and I'm doing the exact same thing as I did with my headboard, just a little different because it's only a piece of wood. So I'm doing this, and I have 3 boards, and they're all cut down to the size that I need them to be. I am making a full-size bed, so they're already cut down to that size, and just following the exact same steps. Corner braces to attach my frames together, so I just did this in the corner of each piece of wood, and then once the frame is put together, I attached it to the headboard. So yes. Okay guys, the legs just came in. I ordered these off of Amazon, and they came in the color silver. So the bed is really low to the ground, which I do not like. So I'm gonna lift it a little bit with these legs and make some additional supports in the middle of the bed to give that a little bit of height too. But let's go ahead and add these legs and get done with this bed. And lastly, I am adding my slats in, and I just added some more additional legs so I can have more support, but it turned out so amazing. Here is the bed, guys. It looks so good. It was definitely what I was going for, and I'm so excited to show you all when I finally do the room over. See you guys in my next video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Bye.